Sorry everyone, but I made a huge mistake here in Palantir. If you have been keeping up with the channel, then you know I have a 47 short-term price target on this thing, and the huge mistake I made is the price target. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my new price target for PLTR, and don't fear, because it is higher and not lower. Now, before we get into that, ladies and gentlemen, a huge reason why I am going to be raising my price target here in PLTR is due to what is going on with NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA is seeing a nice move here today, and what we're currently looking at is the week chart. But if we go to the day chart here really quickly, and we're going to get back to Palantir, ladies and gentlemen, so I can give you my price target on that. But as you guys can see here, we're seeing NVIDIA start to break resistance levels. As you all know, this thing has a resistance here on today's trading of $136, but here yesterday, that $134 resistance, $134.40 resistance was broken here today, and we have been breaking resistance here these last 4 consecutive days of trading. Not only that, the PCD is currently showing us a massive numbers of holdings. Is currently profitable, exposing us to buying at a high. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why NVIDIA is currently moving the way it is because of TSMC's huge news. As you all know, they have reported a 40% increase in sales. What that means, ladies and gentlemen, that the AI boom is only getting stronger. But what part does NVIDIA plays in my new Palantir upgrade, ladies and gentlemen? And that is the AI demand. Okay, as you all know, last quarterly report for NVIDIA was pretty darn strong, and since that quarterly report, as you all know, this thing has taken off. But what Palantir's has going on with it, ladies and gentlemen, is the connection that Palantir is going to put all these industries and infrastructure. Their software, which is now the biggest software company in the world, is going to put autonomous driving to another level. As you all know, this is basically the watchdogs of software. So with that being said, Palantir is going to be the middleman of all of this. I do believe that Palantir will actually reach those $54 levels. I'm adding $7 to our price target. I do feel as though that this thing does have much more room to run. Market cap currently shows 97 billion. I do feel as though that this thing is headed towards a 45 price target here by the end of the day. But with that being said, that will be the historic high. As you all know, the market cap was once $100 billion, and it does seem as though that this thing is going to cross 100 billion here shortly. With that being said, my market cap prediction for Palantir by the end of next year sits around $250 billion. I do feel a big spike that is going to happen here next summer due to the evolution that we're going to see here in the AI sector. With that also being said, upcoming quarterly report for Palantir will be next month, and the type of projection that we got from the last quarterly report only shows us higher expectations. As you guys can see here, the quarterly revenues gets higher, the EPS as well, which shows us the expectations is getting higher and higher quarter after quarter for Palantir. And breaking those expectations only is going to cause a retail investor interest backed by institutions as well. They're going to be raking in so much money by the end of 2030. It's going to be comical. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you're still holding PLTR, new price target $54 by the end of November. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you. Want to know how to sign up for the Discord? Well, click the video on the left. And if you do want to subscribe to my main YouTube channel, click the channel link in the middle and check out my latest video on the right.